what if I told you that you could start selling your own software with your own brand without ever having to write a single line of code? Well, that's the whole promise behind White Label SaaS. And in the next few minutes, we're going to break down how this can be your secret weapon for scaling up your business. All right, let's dive right in. We have to start with the dream because, so many businesses have this vision of offering their own software. But the reality of that journey, it's often a serious wake-up call. I mean, seriously, who hasn't thought about it? The idea of creating this recurring revenue stream with your very own tech product, that's the ultimate goal for so many of us, right? It positions you as a total expert and builds incredible brand value. And here it is. The reality check. Building software from the ground up is, and I'm not exaggerating here, a monumental task. You're looking at huge development costs, months, sometimes even years of work, and you're always running that risk that by the time you finally launch, the market's already moved on. It's brutal. So, what if you could just sidestep that entire uphill battle? What if there was a shortcut? Well, that's exactly where White Label SaaS enters the picture, and it offers a really elegant solution. To put it super simply, it's ready-to-go software that you can slap your own name on. One company handles all the tough stuff. We're talking the coding, the updates, the maintenance, all of it, while you get to focus on selling a market-tested product under your brand. It's basically like having a full-on in-house development team without the massive overhead. Okay, so this is a really important point to clear up. The difference between white label and private label. With white label, you're rebranding a proven existing product that other people can also sell. Think of it like a template. With private label, on the other hand, you're getting an exclusive product built just for you, which you can then modify to your heart's content. The key difference really is exclusivity. So why is this model getting so popular? I mean, why is everyone talking about it? Because honestly, it's a strategic shortcut that offers some massive, tangible benefits for growing your business. Let's just start with the number that stops everyone in their tracks: 70 to 90%. That's how much you could potentially save compared to building something in-house. Just let that sink in for a second. All the money you would have poured into developers and servers can now go directly into what actually grows your business: marketing and sales. But it is so much more than just saving a ton of cash. The strategic advantages here are huge. For one, speed. You can get to market in a matter of days, not years. And your brand, it stays perfectly consistent because the customer only ever sees your logo, your colors, your name. You get to build that awesome recurring revenue. You get to focus on what you're actually good at. And you do it all by offering a proven product without any of the tech headaches. It's a win-win-win. Okay, so the benefits are pretty clear, right? But how do you actually get started? Well, choosing the right partner is absolutely the most critical next step. Here's a simple 4-point checklist you can use. First up, customization. Can you really make it look and feel like your own? Second, integrations. Does it play nice with the other tools your clients are already using? Third, support. You have to know there's a reliable team to back you up when you need it. And finally, pricing. Does the model actually make financial sense as you grow? If you can nail these 4 points, you're on your way to finding a great partner. All right, so you know what you're looking for in a partner. Now for the fun part. Where's the action at? Where are the biggest opportunities right now? Let's take a look at the high-growth markets where white labeling is just exploding. So check this out. This is how you can tap into the AI gold rush without being a coder yourself. The common thread for 2025, if you haven't guessed it, is artificial intelligence. There's just massive demand for AI agent builders to automate customer support, for advanced SEO tools that use AI, for social media platforms that auto-generate content. And it's not stopping there. AI is also totally changing the game for things like funnel builders and CRMs. These are the hot areas where you can provide massive, immediate value. So we've looked at the what, the why, and the where. And after all that, the really big question that's left is, what does this actually mean for you and your business? So let's bring it all home. Embracing white label SaaS really isn't just another option on the table. It's a fundamental shift in strategy. It's about leveraging someone else's incredible technology to build your own brand, slash your risk, and grow way faster than you could on your own. It's a strategic advantage, plain and simple. And I'll leave you with this final thought. With the barriers to entry this low, with the technology already built, what valuable high-tech service could your brand start offering literally tomorrow? Think about it. The opportunity is right there, just waiting for you to grab it.